Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to clear X, formerly Twitter app cache. So if you are using an Android, you can do that. You can clear the cache of the X app. But if you are using iOS, using an iPhone, so when you go to apps and after that look for X, so you will not find any option to clear the cache of your app because this option is not included in iOS. So how to clear the cache in iOS? It's very simple. You have just to delete the app and install it again. So you have to go and long press on X. After that, click on remove app and delete it. And after that, go and install the app again, because like I said, until now, until 2026, there is no option to clear app cache on iOS. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.